this week, but in the end, the battle for San Mateo is the winner. The Bearcats have 3 backs with 200 yards rushing this season, while Aragon is undefeated with a defense that's given up just 14 points in 3 games. The Wells Fargo Bank Game of the Week, and Robert was there.
A huge crowd for this Battle of San Mateo. These Aragon fans, just awesome. San Mateo with a long drive to open the game with a big dose of Josh Facava. This leads to a Bearcats touchdown, 7-0. But Aragon scores less than a minute later. A fine throw by Tanner Nguyen to Davion Cox, who makes a sweet move after the catch. This guy likes to make people miss. It's tied at 7-all. San Mateo looking to take the lead, but the pass is deflected, and there to pick it off is Antonio Sandoval, and he's going to take it all the way to the house. A 44-yard pick six, and Aragon has a 14-7 lead. More Dons hand it to Gabe Campos around the far corner, and Gabe is in, and Aragon's lead is 21-7. But the Bearcats keep fighting. It's Facava again. This guy is really good. Josh is in, and it's a 21-13 Aragon lead late in the second, but still in the second quarter, here come the Dons again, and in the Peninsula Athletic League, they call this a touchdown. Gabe Campos tiptoeing the sidelines, and they say he's in, 28-13. Then just seconds left in the half, the Bearcats' Austin Solvale hits Devin Dotson, and it's an 8-point game at the half. Second half, the Dons come out with an impressive drive capped off by this Va Wilson TD run. The Bearcats get back within 8. It's a flea flicker. It's appropriate for a game played on Alameda de las Pulgas. Look it up. Solvale hits Alejandro Alvarez Zamora. That's one guy. The Bearcats score a short time later, but this play ended the Bearcats' hope for a comeback. As Nguyen fires deep to Grant, the Dons score a short time later and win it 42-18 to improve to 4-0 on the season. We talked with the victorious Dons after the game. And here they are for a hard-fought win tonight, the Aragon Dons. Congratulations, guys. Right here with me, Tanner Nguyen. Tanner, the Dons are throwing this year. What's that about?
We just changed the offense. We're still run the ball. We're a great overall team. We're all in it.
Great success throwing the ball tonight. What did this win mean against arch rival San Mateo mean for you guys tonight?
It's a big booster heading into league play. It's a great confidence builder. We needed it.
Okay, Devin Grant, senior wideout on this team. Devin, talk about this team and what you guys can accomplish this year, 4-0 to start the season.
I believe we can accomplish big things. We got a good team. Our defense plays very well with each other. Our offense is starting to click. We're running the ball well, and we're throwing the ball well. Special teams is always there, too.
All right. Right over here, Thomas Lopp. Thomas Lopp looks like he's at least a senior, only a junior on this team. Talk about Steve Sell's been here many years at Aragon and the coaching staff on this team.
Steve Sell's a great coach. He knows how to work with the kids. He knows everything there is to know about high school football. There's nothing we doubt in him. We trust him all the way, and he's a great coach.
And tell me about all these guys that are behind you. What's the character?
Shout out to Coach Rutu, offensive line coach, best O-line coach ever.
All right, very good. Aragon Dons, congratulations. Great win tonight. Take us out with a cheer.
Hey, Dons on me, Dons on 3.